Hi guys, today we're going to show you the phone holder which was specifically designed for Volvo XC40. It comes with the mount. The mount gets attached using double-sided tape and it goes on top of the vent on the left side like this, and our phone holder will be located right here. In the set we have the ball and the actual phone holder. The way it works is phone goes in here and these things hold it in place. I will remove all the protective film and we will attach the mount. So you'll need to apply a little bit of pressure and hold it for a few seconds to make sure that it bonds with the surface. Now I will insert this ball inside the phone holder and you can secure it with this nut. And now guys, we will insert the holder into our mount like this. You can further secure the nut, tighten it, and now we can use our new phone holder. The phone will go right here. You can use it vertically or horizontally as well, like this. In Volvo XC40 it's very hard to find a good location for the phone holder, and this spot actually works quite well. It does not obstruct the view when you drive and it does not interfere with the windshield wiper lever operation. And as I showed you guys, you can use the horizontal position for the phone when you drive. We'll actually do a short test and go for a short drive and show you how it all looks. But so far tape actually works quite well. The phone is quite stable, doesn't move, doesn't fall off. We'll do further testing and confirm it in the future, but for now everything looks good. The only thing I would like to add, guys, if you have a thick Type-C cable, it may not fit in here. As you can see, it does not go in, so this opening is not big enough for this specific cable. So if you have Android phone with Type-C connector, you have to look for the thin connector. In case of the iPhone, for example, it works without any issues. Also guys, besides this phone holder, you can actually use other types of holders. To be more specific, this is the wireless one, but the cool thing, it uses the same type of ball and can be connected to the same mount. And I'll show you how it works. We'll remove the phone and now we will pull out this holder. I will undo this connection, so all we have to do is to pull out the ball. This is 17mm ball, so any phone holder with this type of ball will work in this case, again, which is cool. And now what I will do, I will insert the ball with this mounting bracket inside our different holder. You simply push it inside and then tighten this nut. And now guys, we can use the same mount with a different phone holder, and this one is wireless. Look at this. So I will insert our phone like this, and now we have a different phone holder in our Volvo XC40 on the same mount. I will connect the cable to the wireless charger, and this end obviously will go right here. I will start the power in the vehicle, and as you can see, it is charging right now. Right now we will test our holder. So the phone goes in like this. We have Google Maps right now set up, and as I said, guys, we can turn it either way. It can work this way, and it will hold. I'll start like this, and off we go. You can adjust it any way you like, easily. And again, guys, first of all, like I said, it does not obstruct the view for me at all. I can see the road in front of me very well. And besides that, the phone is actually quite close to the central display, to the instrument panel. This way I can quickly glance to the map and see what's going on. And like I said, it does not obstruct my right hand either. Alright guys, as for vibrations, there is not much at all. And I will switch the orientation again, and now we can use the map this way. This setup will be perfect if you guys do Ubers or Lyft, for example. You have easy access to the application, and you will be able to see where you're going in this vehicle. Again, guys, I really like this idea. I really like where the position of the mount. The only issue that we had so far is the issue with the charging cable, which again can be solved by getting a thin one if you have a Samsung phone, for example. For the Apple phone, it should not be a problem. And like we said, guys, the mount holds in place, it doesn't fall off. Even if I pull the phone out and put it back in, it works. Also, I would like to add that this holder can hold phones up to 7 inches. Also be careful, if you have thick case, it may or may not work. We don't know yet, because this one is pretty thin. It works fine, but with the thick case, it may not work as well. Again, guys, almost no vibration on the phone. Just a quick update on the cables. This is the original Samsung one, and like we said, it unfortunately doesn't fit in this opening. But look at this, guys. I've got Type-C, different cable, goes through easily. There is one, and there is a second one, which works as well. So like I said, you can easily find an aftermarket charging cable that will work with this phone holder. And one more time, you can see they easily work with our phone. Both of them. Also, when you remove the phone, you have this glossy surface in the middle, which actually matches the one on the trim around our center display. That's it for our quick review today. Hopefully it will help you to choose the right phone holder. Like we said, I think this is great idea, and especially the mount itself. The position is perfect in our opinion for the phone holder, and like we showed you, you can actually install different types of holders as well. You just have to find one with the ball which is 17 millimeters. Again, thank you guys for watching. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you in the next video.